What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. It has been like 2 weeks since I've recorded because, as you guys know, we went to Michigan, picked up my daughter, came back down to Arizona, moved from one house to another house, still live here in Phoenix. A whole lot has been going on. So some of you guys have orders. I have not forgotten about you. It's just everything's been packaged up, so I will be able to get those out here soon. Okay, so here's the colors. Since Melina, that's the name of my daughter, she likes purple, so we're gonna do a bunch of purples. I have a dark violet, a light violet, a magenta, a titanium white. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and the only oil that is in this is this OGX coconut milk hair serum. You can get it from like Walmart or CVS. There's 1 to 2 drops depending on how much paint was in the cups of each of those. And with that, we're just going to start layering. Now, I do want it to be predominantly white with some nice color variations going throughout. So we're just letting that churn a little bit. I just want to have accents of this going throughout. And then whatever cells come out of it are a bonus. Alright, so let's get a nice long churn going through there. You can see those bubbles already starting to rise to the top. So it's looking like it's going to be a lot darker, but we'll see when we get it out. See what it looks like. All right, the cup is beautiful right there. Wow, that is really cool looking. So I think I'm gonna have to adjust that light because I'm seeing the reflection really good. So depending on how well or not well we see this, means I will have to readjust and move that light to a different location. So I'm not trying to get a bunch of glare. All right, so let's see what we got under here. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Goodness. Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. Jeez. I'm getting my heat gun because everything is boxed up right now. The art room is barely together enough to even do art, but work with whatever space you have. That's what's important. All right, let's get some of these bubbles and coax some of that oil to the surface. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. It's really pretty. Yeah, that light, you can see it really strongly. Yeah. What do you guys think at home? Is it, after I spin it and stretch it out, you'll know what I'm talking about better. You'll be able to see if it's affecting it very much. Ooh, look at that thing. That thing is pretty. Yeah. I'm gonna hit it with a little torch and see. Yeah, just a little bit, and now I'll spin it. Just letting it go, getting some of that excess off. Some really pretty colors there. I really, really like it. Ooh, look at that. Like spider webbing from where we used our torch earlier. Dang. Both sides did it. That's cool. Alright, so we're just warming up these layers now that they're thinner. It should help it open up into more cells. Yeah, that looks so cool on the sides there. Love the sides on either corner. But let me get you guys down here. Check this thing out because I love it. Yeah, I absolutely love these corners over here. They look so cool. It's like a really huge spider web that dragged across it. Looks really awesome. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.